ostrich egg for some reason.
The Bluetooth.
Oh, that's like a fading thing. You can see that. It fades. Just enjoy it with me. Hey everyone, this is Gilson Vergara back again with another video. Thank you for checking out all those, I'm gonna call it course, but the playlist for independent couriership. I'm gonna call it independent couriership too. If you are new to the channel, this is Do My Life, where we talk about business, being healthy, and from time to time I'll do reviews and automotive passion things like my motorcycle and anything automotive because I love automotive things. But today we're going to be reviewing a few things brought to you by our friends at Techno. So we're going to be dealing with this today. Living Music wireless. Up for review today is going to be the Techno wireless Bluetooth speaker. First thing off, before I even open this up, once again, shout out to Techno for always sending me out some good products because gave me a shot. I really appreciate it. And they really have some good stuff, affordable prices. The link's going to be down below as usual if you want to pick these up. The thing that is going to be a big turn on. Ooh.
What?
Is going to be, it has a colorful LED light, and as you know, I love LED lights, so that's something I'm going to like, and I'm gonna have to fend off my nephews and nieces because they're called dibs on this already. So Techno, if you're listening, please send out, give me a gift or something. This is a gift, right? Give me another blessing. Has a 2200 milliamp battery, so it should be super long on the charge and things like that, and it features a 52 millimeter bass speaker, so should have some bass to it. You know I love bass. You know, like I said, comment down below if you come from those days where 212s in the trunk, things rattling like crazy. This is me in high school. JLW 12s, mono amps. You know what it is. Comment down below. Dual speakers pairing. So if you buy another one, you can pair them up. So you get, I guess, more of a surround sound if you keep them at a, you know. And it's more like, you know, if you have another room, living room, one in the kitchen, dining area, play the same music. Everybody can enjoy the vibes that you're putting out. Let's open this up and see what's up. So as you can see right here, like I said, like all the time, dude, one-handed all the time. This is as raw as you can get it because it's only me doing this whole thing, but I love it though. I love doing reviews and unboxings. You know, it breaks the monotony of talking about business all the time because, not for nothing, sometimes I don't want to talk about business, you know. I just can't wait to see how this thing lights up. I don't even care if the sound's good. I can put it in the background if my nephews and nieces don't want it. I just messed up the freaking box. Let's see what's inside here. I do like the packaging that they do for Techno. As you can see, the headphones, the packaging was really nice. This one, same as well. Look at that. What is that? Embossed Square S2. I don't know if you see that. I don't know if you see that right there. Square S2. Living Music right there. Oh, first off the bat, it's gonna have your mini USB and, you know, to charge it and things like that. Okay, your Square S2 instruction manual tells you everything about the speaker here, but let's just throw that away for now. Aesthetically speaking, it is a good looking unit. Reminds me of an ostrich egg for some reason. I don't know if you ever held an ostrich egg. I have. That thing is huge. But this one, build quality, plastic. It's gonna be plastic. It does not feel like cheap plastic. That's number one. Speaker's gonna be on top right here. I like that it's metal. It's gonna provide a degree of security. Amazing. Obviously, it's gonna be like opaque because light's gonna come through here. You're gonna have all your functional buttons right here, right there, and all your ports right here. For to charge, this is to connect it to another speaker if you need to, and this is to charge right here, right there. I guess your SD card right there. Throw all your music in and things like that. And you can put auxiliary. Let's see, as always, if it has any life.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It lights up like a lava lamp. Pretty cool. Oh, I do like this. It has rubber grips on the bottom. So, I'm not going to push it harsh, but it's not going to fall. It's pretty secure. Let's hook this up to the phone and we'll see the sounds.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
M probably means mode, so that probably is going to change the colors and stuff like that. I'm just guessing because I don't really read the Okay. Bass is there. Not comparable to my JBL. My link's right here. But definitely, it's there. Let's see copyright hip hop. Play that and see if it'll push out that bass. But aesthetically, very nice. Very nice. The highs are there. Just enjoy it with me.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe
Bass
now I'm
could be
just
better.
too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas.
Sub is right here.
Baby in this bitch, I'm with your babe on the run.
Bass could be better, but for the price, it is good. Sound is decent. I'm gonna say the sound is decent. I'm not gonna say it's the best. It is decent for the price. You got something over here. I believe your highs or your mids are gonna be up here, and your sub's gonna be here. I believe that it's using the table or the surface is gonna reverb or give it a bit more bass. Let me see if I'm right.
You got cold, that's why I think about it. Trust me, that's why I drink
There's more
about it.
free air right now.
It's all good, so it's too real, don't think about it. She me out of my place, wanna stay in my zone. Let me right in my face, she can see through my...
I would have to say that this is more focusing on treble and maybe a bit of mid bass, not so much on actual bass. If you were to hear my JBL, it's over. I'm gonna put the link over here. It's a drastic difference, but nonetheless, still pretty good. Now, I want to try to see if I can change the color of it because let's put this to the test. Yeah, look at that. Feels like I'm having like a this is a big lightsaber. But if you hold down the M, it'll change. Go into this modes. I'm gonna hold it back here because the light's too bright. But
The Bluetooth
not
device
that.
is
Not that.
ready to pair. The
Okay.
Bluetooth device is connected
I'm going to turn off
successfully.
this light right here to show you all the lights here. But check it out though, it's pretty cool. Ooh, that's pretty hot. Purple, lime green, blue. Let's turn off the other light. Let's turn this all off. Light pollution. Like a white. Back to red.
The Bluetooth
Oh, that's
device
like a
is
fading
ready to
thing.
pair.
You can see that it fades in and
The
out.
Bluetooth
That's
device
pretty cool.
is connected successfully.
That's off mode. It's regular white. Lantern mode. Brightness. Continuation. So I'm gonna put this in the back. I'm gonna turn the light back on, but it's fading into it right now. So right there. I'm not gonna turn on those lights. Turn this light on, and as you can see, this can be used as your ambulance. This can be used as your ambient lighting in the room, in your bedroom. A lot of uses for this. That's a pretty cool effect right there. You know, the lava lamp type situation. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. Obviously, my LED lights are going to overpower that. But as it stands, that is a pretty cool little light. I'm gonna take some video of this right now and show you some cinematics on it and things like that. But do you want to save money filing for your next LLC? Check out incauthority.com. My affiliate link is down below. A place where you can potentially file your LLC free. So this is my review on the Square S2 by Techno, a wireless Bluetooth speaker, and sound quality not the best, but it's good. I'm not gonna say it's trash, but it's good. Just the aesthetic appeal, the quality of it, very nice. I believe this might be able to take a fall off a table, right? But that's normal. But to stop that, it does have grips, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool, stays there. But just the ambient lighting thing I'm into. If you're into it, click the link that. Gee, I'm spinning all over my freaking. Click the link down below and take care. I'll see. I'm gonna enjoy this. I think my nephews and nieces are gonna war over this, but yeah. Are you looking for competitive insurance for your business? Please check out Next. It is a very simple resource that you can seek out insurance for your business. My affiliate link is down below.